Hi students, today I am going to the reasoning chapter number 19, quick multiplication. So here in this question, that means in this chapter we are going to learn that how quickly we can multiply. Here the one basic pattern is given that the numbers whatever they have taken in this chapter, they are ending with the 5. So here quite simple method is given. So I am going to the question number 1, that how we are going to multiply. Here in this system, first of all we have to write down multiplication of these two things. So these two numbers, it will be 25. So product of the 5 into 5 becomes 25. Now what we have to do, these two numbers. So here we have to multiply 3 multiply 2. So it becomes 6. That means one number exceed to death, whatever the given number. That means 2 given, so we have to multiply 2 to the 3. Then we are getting this number. So here same thing is given in the next question. Here 5 5 ja 25 and 4 5 ja 20. Now here I am going 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30. Now here I am going 5 5 ja 25, 9 10 ja 10, one successor of the 9, that becomes the 10. So 9 10 ja 90. Now we are going to the this number 5 5 ja 25. Now we have to find the number 12 multiplied to the 13. So what will be here, whenever we are going to multiply 10 to the 12 to the 13. So 12 13 10 ja 130 and 13 2 ja 60. So it becomes 130 plus 26, it becomes 156. So answer becomes this one. Now here we are going 5 5 ja 25. Now we have to multiply 18 to the 17. So what will be here, whenever we are going to multiply 18 to the 17, so it becomes 306. So answer becomes 306. So this will be the answer. Now similarly we are going to the 5 5 ja 25 and 88 89 multiplied to the 88. So what we have to write down here? So you have to find out the product of the 89 2 into 88, and then we will get 7832. 7832. So this number becomes like this. So these will be the answers of the question by the quick multiplication method. Now 5 5 ja 25 and 99 multiplied to the 100. That means 99 multiplied to the 100. So it becomes 9900. So answer becomes this. So this is the question number 1 to 8 I have solved. Now the remaining part you have to do by self. Now I am going to the quick multiplication second. So in this quick multiplication second, the first question is given 24 multiplied to the 48. So first of all you have to understand the process that what we are going to do here. In the step number 1, first of all we have to multiply the units of the given number. So 8 4 ja 32. So 2 we will write here and 3 as a carry. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply these numbers cross one numbers. 8 2 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16 and this plus 3. So it becomes 16 plus 16 32 plus 3 35. So here we will write down the 5 here and 3 carry. Now we have to multiply these two numbers. 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 11. So answer becomes 1152. This will be the number. Now we are going to this question. Here 6 2 ja 18, 1 carry over. Now 9 6 ja 54, 2 2 ja 4 and this plus 1. So it becomes the 9 5 59. So here we have to write down 9 5 as carry over. 9 written here, 5 carry over. 9 2 ja 18, 18 5 23. So answer becomes this. This will be the answer. Now going to the here 3 2 ja 6, no carry. 8 2 ja 16 and 3 3 ja 9, 16 9 25. So 5 becomes here, 5 is here. Now 8 3 ja 24, 5 is here. 8 3 ja 24 plus 2 26. So this becomes the answer. Now 8 9 ja 72, 2 is here, 7 carry. Now 9 4 ja 36, 8 5 ja 40 and 7 this. This becomes 3, 4, 3, 7 plus 1, 8. So it becomes 83. 3 is here. Now 8 carry over. 8, 5, 4, 5 the 20. 20 plus 8, it becomes 28. So answer will be the 28, 32. Now going to the fifth part. 8 to the 16. 1 carry over. Now 6 to the 12. 8 4 the 32 and this one. So it becomes 5, 45. So 5 is here. 4 carry over. 6 4 the 24 and this 4. So it becomes 28. So answer becomes 2, 8, 5, 6. Now 5 5 the 25. 5 5 the 25. 5 is here. 2 carry over. Now 8 5 the 40. 2 5 the 4 5 the 20 and this 2. So it becomes 62. 2 is here. Now 6 is carry over. 8 4 ja 32 6 38. So it becomes 38 25. Now going to the seventh part. That is given 4 4 ja 16. 6 is here. 1 carry over. Now 9 4 ja 36. 8 4 ja 32. 1 this. 6 to 8 plus 1 9. 3 3 6. So 9 is here. 6 carry over. 9 8 ja 72. 72 plus 6, that becomes 78. So answer becomes 7896. Now 9 9 ja 81. 8 is carry over. 9 3 ja 27. Now 6 9 ja 54. This one 8. 8 4 12. 12 7 19. 9 is here. 1 carry over. 5 to 7 plus 1 8. Now we have to write down 9 here and this 8 carry over. 6 3 ja 18. 18 8 26. Now this answer becomes 2691. So these are the 8 part I have done. The remaining parts you have to do by self. Thank you. Have a good day.